Makakasama po natin ang recruitment manager ng MSC Cruises na si Ma'am Jana Ranola.
Ma'am, marami pong salamat sa pagpa-unlock ng interview na ito.
Oh, thank you. My pleasure. Thank you also for the invitation.
And kung hindi nyo alam guys, isa po akong bar waiter dito sa MSC. And I'm so proud na dito po tayo ngayon nagtatrabaho. Ma'am Jana, napakahaba ng pila. Anong masasabi nyo, ma'am?
We're very overwhelmed with yung sa volume ng applicants right now, sa mga interesado maging part ng MSC family.
Ma'am, may katanungan lang ako. May age limit po ba sa pag-a-apply sa cruise ship?
In terms of the age restrictions, as long as the candidates meet the legal age requirements, generally it's 18 years and above. For those serving alcoholic beverages, a minimum of 21 years of age, they're welcome to apply. In terms of the recruitment process, what we only assess is the competencies of the